Hello, my name is Will Mason, and this is my dashboard that I created. As you can see, it's pretty cool. You can click on different things like 2020 if you want to see all the stuff for 2020, only 2019, so on, whatever. If you just want to see everything, you can click out of that, and then it'll show this as a whole. Different countries you can click on. You zoom out, see which ones you want to click on. If you just want the US, then you want this certain category, you can do that. And it's a pretty cool dashboard, pretty efficient, I'd say. Definitely helps a lot. So yeah, and basically I had to answer some case questions on this. So total sales revenue for the third quarter of 2020, I got 9,142,297, and basically how I let me just go back a little bit. From this that one up. Yeah, alright. So yeah, I went to this one right here. It's all different there. Pretty easy. Total sales revenue for the medical category, 2,246,190. That was pretty easy. You just do the same exact thing, except not as a whole. You only click on Germany. Or no, the medical category, so you click on whichever one the medical is. I'm pretty sure this one is. You click on 2021. So, where the product line had the highest sales, that was Pulse YT. Number 4, I got Low YT. Number 5, I got Quarter 1, 125,634. 6, I got the Montpelier Group, something like that. 7, I got Ridge Alabama Company. 8, I said this can help with knowing which product line is the best and which country it's the best in, and what's their top customer, who's buying the most, stuff like that. You can just look at it as a whole, and that's how you can find basically most of your information on what you want to find out. For example, I wrote number 5 real quick. In 2020, which quarter had the highest sales in telecom category? So you click on telecom. Under the UK division, UK, click on UK. Boom, you got that right there. And then it was asking which quarter had the highest sales. So right here would be the highest sales right here in 2020. Would be right here. It's 125, so that's the dollar amount. And yeah, that's basically how you use this dashboard altogether. It's very interactive, and it's definitely a very helpful tool in trying to figure out what new products you're selling and stuff.